says here to create an if statement to check if form inputs contain values is true. If it's true, indicating that there are changes, we should use the show model method. On confirm close dialog. Otherwise, if there are no changes, we reset it. Okay. Right. An if statement block with the condition if form inputs contain values is true, then we execute this instruction, which be written with the form of code as confirm close dialog, and then we call show model method because it's a method within this element, show model. Okay, if there are no changes, we then go on to else block and then call the reset function. Oh, I'm sorry.